Welcome back to Amazing Home Hacks. In today's episode, I will show you how I made these baby clothes size dividers. There are a lot of places where you can buy these, but everything I saw was designed to fit into a closet rod that looked like this. But the closet I'm working on looks like this. There's not enough space above the hang rod to fit in the store-bought solutions that are available. So I set out to make my own. As a bonus, they cost a small fraction of what's available for sale, so let's get started. Now I have a Cricut machine. This is a very versatile tool for making many things, including the stick-on artwork that I'll apply to my dividers. If you don't have a Cricut machine, you can use stick-on letters or handmade designs that are applied using paint, stencils, or markers. However you make your design, stick around for the tutorial on how to create these size dividers. I started with some inexpensive pine wainscoting boards and trimmed off the tongue and groove portion from each side. Then I cut them to the length I wanted the dividers to be. I cut a groove into some white trim board, the same width as the pine boards, so I'll be able to attach them later. Then a quick sanding of all the surfaces will make them splinter-free and ready to accept the paint and the artwork. For this project, I used heat transfer vinyl, and after being cut in the Cricut, I removed the portions of the design that I don't need. The design will be permanently adhered to the wood surface using a heat press. Again, you can use any method you choose to create your designs and transfer them to the divider boards. Next, I glued the grooved white trim boards onto the top side of the pine board and marked the exact center with a pencil line. Then drill a pilot hole that will let me securely fasten a cup hook into it. I found these white vinyl dipped cup hooks to be the perfect size. You can use brass or nickel ones as well, whatever you prefer. Now you might not have a completely perfect joint where the pine board fits into the grooved trim board, but that's easily solved with a little bit of DAP, a water-based white caulk that fills in any openings. As a final step, I add a couple coats of clear sealer for protection and to make them easy to clean. Here's what I spent on this. The pine board and trim was about $2. The vinyl for the design was another $3, and the cup hooks were about $4. So for less than $10, I made 6 of these size dividers, and I bet you can too. Thanks for watching Amazing Home Hacks. Subscriptions and comments are always welcome.